Happy birthday, Sonia. You're hot.
Now wink. That's not wink. That's that's the best wink you can do. Could you do a better wink than that? I know you can do better than that. Okay, let's stop.
Hope you're having a wonderful day.
Okay, enough with the faces. Anything else?
No.
Take a big bite out of it.